Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this new figure that I got. Well, it's not exactly new, but it's a Doom Marine figure, 1/6 scale from 3A or Threezero Toys in Hong Kong. It was released, I think, 3 years ago in relation with the Doom game that was also released in the same year, I think. Anyway, so this is the box that it comes in. Pretty nice box. It's in the shape of the sarcophagus that you first see in the Doom game, the intro. It's got a nice shape and it's got this texture here that you can actually have that feel here. And so Doom Marine 1/6 scale. Let's quickly open it up. There. So on the inside you got the Doom logo right there. And of course the beautiful figure mint box. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it's quite a big container. On the inside, you get some paperwork right there, so some instructions on how you go about. So you got 3 pairs of hands, some cautionary notes right there. Don't bend it too much because as with leather, you tend to stretch it. Okay, that's about that. Let's get straight into the figure itself. So before I do that, let me just open it. Okay, I finally unboxed him, and this is the Doom Marine. Alright, he's modeled after the 2016, I think 2017, 2016 PC game, video game. And under that tray, that thick tray, are his weapons. There's 3 of them. Alright, now this is the standard edition, not the deluxe one. The deluxe comes with additional chainsaw weapon, which I don't really need. And that goes for quite a hefty price. This one is also quite hefty. I think I got it for about 500 Aussie dollars. Yes, I had bought this from an Aussie collector. Alright, during the lockdown, it took almost a month plus for it to arrive. Finally, it's here. But anyway, let's take him out of the box. Alright, you probably don't need to see the hands, pretty standard. So let's get straight into the figure. Oh, look at that. Woo. Now you all can see the video in my profile. I have the Doom Guy's helmet. Now this is not exactly the same because the Doom Eternal version of the helmet has more details. But essentially it looks really, really good. Fantastic. Probably the only chance we'll ever get Doom Guy in 1/6 scale form. You know, details. Definitely the rubber texture feels nice, and I've seen reviews online that say that the articulation is a little bit hindered because of the rubber suit, but check out the details and accessories in it. Alright, this guy is definitely a Grail figure and he looks pretty awesome. So I've yet to unbox those figures there. In due course. Let's just open up the protective plastic covers. And then it goes right here with the big gun. Too bad it doesn't have the BFG, but if they included that, it would be rather too big as this guy. So overall, I think he's a fantastic figure, definitely a Grail piece. He's going for at least $700 US minimum. You're probably not gonna get this 12-inch Doom figure ever, and they did a fantastic job. The paint job looks great, the weathering, the battle damage. I think the posability is also great, unlike what some people might have said about the Doom figure. Alright, it's just a matter of whether you want to be a little bit more adventurous with the posing. But other than that, I think he's a fantastic figure. The only issue is that he doesn't come with a display stand. Alright, and the torso and the crotch piece this part is a little bit too narrow as compared to the rest of his body because I guess of his armor pieces, right? So the legs and the upper body are quite large in comparison with the torso, and I don't think it's that big of a deal. All right, he's made out of different mixed media, so it's not a full body suit. Some parts of it are actually made up from the molded hard plastic, like the bicep area, the shin guard pieces here, and these boots are kind of stubby looking because of the armor piece here, but if you look closely, these are actually articulated, and that's a good thing because it allows him to give him that good foundation to stay upright since it doesn't come with a stand. And I think the articulation is pretty good. Of course, it's not good to have him overly in that same pose for too long, like what the manual says. But overall, I think you can get a very good pose out of him, especially in person. It looks absolutely menacing. It's a fantastic figure, definitely worth picking up. Now the head doesn't really go up, he can't look up, he just goes sideways. That's the other thing. And the weapons are quite heavy, so he tends to lean or hunch forward because this torso bit here, as you can see, is articulated. It will lean forward because he is top heavy. All right, and like I said, the middle portion doesn't really give enough support to have him stand upright, but because of the clicky joints at the knees and the crotch, you are able to place him in a fixed position with a little bit of leeway. Alright, so hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, follow me on IG at LKHOE23. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.